Unraveling, shout someone's name, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we aim to make English learning an exciting journey for you. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase, shout someone's name. It's a phrase you might hear in movies, songs, or even in everyday conversations. Stick around as we break it down for you, ensuring you can use it confidently in your own conversations. Shouting someone's name involves raising your voice to call attention to someone from a distance or to make sure they hear you. It's not just about being loud. It's about ensuring your voice carries over to the person you're trying to reach. This can be out of urgency, excitement, or even frustration. The key takeaway here is the purpose behind shouting. It's all about making sure you're heard. This phrase can be used in various situations, but let's focus on three main ones. 1. Getting attention. In a crowded place or when someone is far away, you might shout their name to get their attention. 2. Expressing urgency. If there's an immediate need or danger, shouting someone's name can convey the urgency of the situation. 3. Showing emotion. Sometimes, in moments of excitement or distress, you might find yourself shouting someone's name without even thinking about it. Understanding the context is crucial, as shouting can be considered rude or inappropriate in certain settings. Always consider the situation and your relationship with the person you're addressing. It's important to note that the appropriateness of shouting someone's name can vary greatly across different cultures. In some cultures, it's a common way to grab someone's attention, while in others, it may be seen as disrespectful or too informal. Always try to be aware of these cultural nuances, especially when you're in a new environment or interacting with people from different backgrounds. Furthermore, the tone and volume of your shout can greatly affect how your action is perceived. A gentle shout out of concern is much different from an angry shout in frustration. Being mindful of your tone and the situation can help prevent misunderstandings. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, shout someone's name. We hope this video has shed light on when and how to use this phrase effectively in your English communications. Remember, the key is to understand the context and the cultural setting you're in. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to helping you navigate more English language nuances in our future videos. Happy learning!